In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find spam folder in Gmail. If you've ever wondered where suspicious or promotional emails get filtered to, this is where Gmail stores them. It's helpful for clearing out junk, and it's also the first place to check if you're missing a message you were expecting. Keep in mind, Gmail automatically deletes spam after about 30 days, so knowing how to get there quickly can save you time. Start by opening Gmail and signing in to your account. Once you're in your mailbox, look over to the left-hand side. This is your navigation panel, where you'll see labels like Inbox, Starred, and Drafts. If the list looks short, that's normal. Gmail hides some sections by default to keep things tidy. If you don't see everything, expand the layout first. Click the 3 horizontal lines at the very top left corner of the screen to open the full sidebar. This is sometimes called the hamburger menu. With the panel expanded, scroll down and click the option labeled More. That reveals additional system labels that aren't shown up front. In that expanded list, look for Spam. Click it, and you'll jump straight into your spam folder. You'll know you're in the right place if Gmail displays a note explaining why messages were sent there, often with a warning banner on individual emails. From here, you can scan subject lines and senders to spot anything that was misclassified. Be cautious when opening messages in this folder and avoid clicking links or downloading attachments unless you're sure the sender is legitimate. There's also a fast search-based way to get to spam. First, make sure you're viewing your inbox, so the search bar is easy to access. Then click into the search field at the top and type exactly in spam. Press enter, and Gmail will instantly filter your view to show only messages in the spam folder. This is a convenient shortcut if you prefer to navigate with the keyboard or if the sidebar is collapsed. That's it. 2 simple paths to the same place. Use the left panel route by expanding the menu, tapping More, and selecting Spam, or jump there immediately with the In Spam search. Remember, spam is automatically purged over time. So if you're hunting for a missing message, check here sooner rather than later. And if you do find a legitimate email in spam, review it carefully before taking any action in your mailbox. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to find your spam folder in Gmail.